This is a pretty cool smoking kit, obviously for cocktails, but you could really smoke anything. Lemonade, your ice water if you want. It's just gonna add another flavor to the drink. So you got pecan, peach, cherry, apple, pear, oak, and it's all these little wood chips. This is my first and second time to do this as I made this video, and I probably put in too much wood chips, but you can use the little tongs or you can use this spoon that's attached. One thing I really like, probably the very best thing, is that the actual product here is wood, beautiful wood grain going through it. It's got two of those little metal cups that you put in there to protect the wood. It's kind of nice they give you an extra one. And they give you a torch. Now, butane is not included, so buy some of this. You can get this online just as easy when you buy this at the same time. That's where I got mine. All right, so you just put that vertically upside down. Don't shake it. Just punch it in there, and then you'll hear it stop, and then you're done. That'll last many, 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 many lights. All right, so once the butane's in, got the chips in, then it's just a matter of testing it out. Now, this one does have a lock, by the way. So you can see it's locked right there, unlocked, and then it's a 4-flame torch. You can dial it up or down. I feel like it went about 4 or 5 inches out. I'd like to bring mine a little closer, but that's totally up to you. I think I probably will lengthen it a little bit more in the future uses, but again, totally up to you. So dial it up exactly how you want it. It's a good little torch. I like the wood grain on that as well. It just looks nice. All right, so fire up the wood chips, and you can see it starts smoking immediately. It's coming out the bottom because there's holes in the bottom, and that's actually going to go into your drink, but I'm just showing you how it works first, and then I'll devise the drink and put it all together. So again, you put that on top of your drink, light it up, put the lid on it, and then those smokes just kind of sit in there with the ice, and it's just amazing. Even as the smoke dissipates, everything has just infused into the drink and into the ice and to the, if you put an orange slice or anything, the smoke just finds its way in there. Kind of like if you left your shirt next to the fire pit, and you know, you're at the fire pit one night and then the next day you smell your shirt, even though you've left the fire pit for hours, you still smell the smoke. It's the same thing in your drink. So, hey, by the way, you can make your own ice balls with this. It's included. Just pour the water in the top, stick it in your freezer, and check it the next day, and it'll be good to go. Again, you get a couple extra pieces. You get the tongs, you get the spoon, you get the cleaner piece. This little cleaner piece goes in those little holes just to keep the thing clean. So anyway, here's a little side view. There's still some smoke in there. You can see it. And then as you open it up, obviously, that is doing the job. All right, then just garnish your drink and go for it. You don't have to have an alcoholic drink either. I mean, you can do this on your lemonade. You can do this on iced tea. You could do this on water. I mean, I don't know why anybody would, but like I'm just telling you, it absorbs into whatever you have. Now look at this here. A couple little things. I used a lot of chips, and I didn't think I did, but I did. And so I think you can go a little bit less next time. And it comes with these whiskey stones. Those go in the freezer. They get really cold, and then they will keep your drink cold without melting, so you're not adding ice. Anyway, this is a pretty cool product. The company did send it to me for a review. This is my forthright and honest review. I like it. It's cool. All right, hope this helps. Bye.